A coronavirus pandemic continues to hit so hard the world, with Kenya striving as much as possible to contain the deadly virus. On Saturday, Kenya recorded 7 new cases in the last 24 hours.
Out of the 81 samples, we have received confirmation of 7 people who have tested positive for the coronavirus disease. They include 4 Kenyans, 2 Congolese nationals, and 1 Chinese national. 3 are female and 4 males.
The announcement by the Health Cabinet Secretary Mutahi Kagwe comes even as the country intensified the measures to curb the virus, which has so far killed more than 26,000 people across the world, with more than 600,000 people infected. In Kenya, Nairobi County now tops the list of most affected cases.
This now brings to 38 the number of those who have tested positive for the virus in Kenya. Out of the 7, 4 had a history of travel from countries with active transmission. 1 had traveled to Mombasa, or 2 did not actually have a travel history but come from contacts.
Mutahi Kagwe, however, urged the Kenyans to adhere to the new curfew directive, which saw the police officers are applying force to implement it.
At this juncture, I'm appealing to our people to make it very unnecessary for them to engage with the police by staying at home and observing the directives given. I'm also urging our police that people should be treated humanely.
Out of the more than 1,000 close contact cases that were being monitored, 163 have been discharged after the 14-day follow-up period, and the government is presently monitoring about 978 people.
To date, we have now tested 833 persons for the disease. As we informed you, from tomorrow, we shall embark on a mass testing for those persons who arrived in the country last week and are currently under mandatory quarantine. This will be done in line with the World Health Organization guidelines on testing for the virus.
Reporting for Ebro TV, I'm Jeff Khaemba.